Hey guys! So we're currently walking through people's apartment complex. We don't know whose. We're just walking, trying to get to a park. And our goal was to go to like Trader Joe's and Target and all that stuff, but Trader Joe's fell through. And now we're at Target, but we're gonna walk around and waste some time first. I really don't even know what this park is. It's interesting. I don't know the purpose of this park.
Maybe it'll be a plaque.
Maybe. I don't know if you guys can see this because I'm too short to even tell if you can see it, but here this all is. I bet the wind noise on the camera, so
Probably. You can pause that and go back and forward to read the whole thing.
yes. Oh, I hear a little chihuahua. Good. Babe, there's a ladder all the way over there. We can go swimming. That's a good question.
Just don't drop it, please.
Why not? It doesn't look like there's fish, but it
definitely
is like
doesn't,
too dark to really tell. They do have like a little net, that little like blue pool net over there, so maybe that's how they wrangle up the fish.
I'm pretty sure that's how they get the trash.
They're not doing a good job. There's a big balloon over there.
Yeah, and there's a floating pump over it.
Yeah, exactly.
But
Oh,
I mean,
they're slacking.
there's like 2 big cans out of the whole thing. So I mean,
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah, agreed. Okay, so we've been, it's like so bright, I can't even like see anything. We've been, we've looked, and now we're gonna circle back and run into Target and then go to Publix because we're going to like a Super Bowl party tonight. So we have to like go and get some stuff to bring so we don't show up empty-handed, and then we gotta go to Dillard's to return some shoes. So that's what we're gonna do. Can you guys see the rainbow in the waterfall? Or not the water, the fountain. Oh, I love when things like that happen.
Happy coincidence.
Oh, it's so pretty. So many Valentine's Day stuff. Oh, is that for me?
Wingardium Leviosa.
I can't. Hey, you're a wizard, Tyler.
Oh. Did I make you fall in love with me? Was that
Yes.
the spell that I cast?
Yes, that was totally the same spell. I could not handle how big these cards are. They're ginormous.
I guess we know what you're getting.
No, I'd rather the doggy or the bears.
Yeah, a doggy.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's got googly eyes. too.
Yeah, that's what I was laughing at. Oh wow, and it's like kind of pop up. That face is everything. How much is it?
$9.
Goodness. I like the Reese's tiger. Oh, I want the unicorn. Can I have this
I'm
one?
gonna get you a Wookiee. I'm just kidding. It's not, definitely not a Wookiee.
It's the knockoff Wookiee. That one looks more like a Wookiee.
Yeah.
I want the unicorn. The unicorn is very soft and pretty. That's what I want. Don't do what I think you're gonna do. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you can't see it.
You're so bad.
What are you watching?
I'm leaving you.
No, I'm not leaving. Oh, artwork.
You drew another horn on the unicorn.
Yeah, that's what it is.
These look good over here. Oh, how cute is that, like, heart-shaped brownie pan? I want that.
It's perfect Valentine's Day.
That says Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness.
Let's taco about love. It's actually like super soft.
Oh, that does feel pretty nice.
Super.
I used to have a fish pillow like that. Oh, how cute is this heart blanket? Oh, fries. I think that accurately describes us more than tacos. Ooh, oh, it's not original flavored. Ooh, I like that it's double-sided though. Oh, it's scented. Smell it. Does it smell like a donut?
No.
No.
It smells like nasty
It says,
perfume.
oh, it says it's scented. Oh yeah, I don't like it.
It's like one of those pooping pillows.
You can't. Does it smell like pizza? Or that one's not scented.
No. You have a piece of my heart.
Oh, I'm gonna get that for you for Valentine's Day. Babe, we can get the Frozen Ultimate coloring book.
You want to play some video games?
Let's play some video games.
Let's Oppo couple.
That's hilarious. So you can buy something and fill it with your own candy.
Falling for you.
Oh my gosh, that's what I'm gonna get you. That's what. Oh, we should send that picture to Honey and tell Honey to get that for Daddy.
There.
We're finding some good options here. I like it. And you rock my world. I like the popcorn with little marshmallows in it.
You're a great catch.
That's hilarious. I like these.
Chocolate rose.
You can be my bachelor.
Oh, I'm glad I have this opportunity to be selected.
For everyone who doesn't know me, these are what I actually get for Valentine's Day every year. What is glow sticks? That's hilarious. Babe, let's get Valentine's cards to each other. Like we're in elementary school.
Crush the Resistance, my Valentine.
That's
The
hilarious.
first order, my Valentine. That's kind of stupid. They just say like
Yeah.
nonsense.
That's how all. This is what I'm really ready for. The summertime. Ooh, we should get that for our apartment. I like it.
Not
Maybe
for the
our-
price. Did you see how much it is?
Yeah.
$99
We
for
can
a
go
fake
get.
stump.
Yeah, we can go get that outside for free. I like these ones with the elephants in them though. I like it.
Star Wars Heart Tin Chocolate.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
R2D2.
a BB-8.
Oh, I want the BB-8 one. Oh, I want the Olaf.
Mug? Yeah,
Yes.
the mug so you can drink it.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, I like these Star Wars ones a lot. I'm gonna get you this. Oh, there's a BB-8 one that our friendship exchange. It's a microphone.
It's also a fan though.
How cool is this? I literally want this so bad. I wish I knew how much it was. It's this. Oh my god. This is everything. Oh, and the horse. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Oh, back at the beginning.
Back at the beginning. 50%.
We can get Draco on clearance. Oh, these are They're cute. Of course, now they have some cute lunch boxes after I already bought a lunchbox from Amazon. That would happen. Like, I came here looking for a cute lunchbox. I didn't have any. Ooh, laser tag.
We can duel each other.
Ooh, that sounds fun. That seems fun. Looking at Catan. We do need to get the extended pack at some point. That's a future problem, though.
Yeah.
It would be more about getting, like, a expansion. And we're looking at Dungeons and Dragons. Ooh, we can play Jumanji.
Yeah, I learned my lesson.
You learned your lesson? This is what everyone needs. Oh, and there's a Toy Story one too. Oh my goodness.
There's nothing interesting. It just
Oh.
tells you.
I think the ones at Barnes & Noble are more helpful.
Probably.
Ooh, Atlanta beer. Does anyone else remember having to go through this as a child? I do. And rainbow fish. So cute. Has anyone read these? And are they good? Because I kind of want to read this one. Oh, that one seems good too. And if anybody's read these, let me know if they're good. Hey guys, so Future Erica here. Sorry this video quality is like super bad right now. I'm just having to do this at the last minute to kind of wrap this video up because we forgot to do so. Basically we ended up leaving Target. We went to Publix. We grabbed some cookies and some like brownies and a bottle of wine to bring to the Super Bowl party. We ended up going to the Super Bowl party. We had a lot of fun and enjoyed it, and that was pretty much it. It was a pretty successful day overall. We had a lot of fun and really enjoyed it, and whenever we got there, we had some, what did we have? We had barbecue, like pulled pork, and that was really good. And we just hung out and watched the game a little bit and visited with some friends. So I would say, all in all, it was pretty good. And we had a really good time, and we really enjoyed walking around that park, the Millennium Park? I don't know. I don't remember which one it is. But yeah, it was pretty good, and we had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time.